fighter, no?
yes.
So Margarito does have to do something from this round onwards.
Yan naman si Margarito, tumatayo kagad para pakitang hindi pa siya pagod.
Oh. And this is not just a welt, this is a wound already. Yep, Lawrence Cole asked Margarito how many fingers he had actually. And he's worried now, as you mentioned, about that cut.
There has to be something dramatic that will happen now because in the scorecard, even if Margarito wins 10, 11, 12, talo na yan.
Yeah.
Tapos, yung mata niya pa ganyan,
Pag natigil.
Robert Garcia can make that decision using the math, knowing that Margarito might not have anything. But Margarito, as I've said, nakita na natin to, laban ng laban to, hindi titigil to. He must, however, do something very interesting in this round to merit going to the championship rounds.
2 minutes and 13. Pacquiao's fight plan continues to be the same. Pasok, combinations.
Labas.
When he gets pinned, he'll move away. Oh, the uppercut!
What a combination, a jab straight upper combination, all connecting to the face of Margarito.
Parang nararamdaman mo kay Manny, gusto niya sabihin, tapusin na natin ito ngayon.
Ayun, dalawang kombinasyon na naman.
A bit of an opening there for that third shot with the 1-2 combination on the bunny. Pacquiao continues to taper off just a tad here. Bit of a coasting round. The combinations on the button, and he's continuing to rock. Margarito, is he ready for the fall? Is he going to stumble?
12, 13 punches connecting to the face of Margarito. A slapping attempt by Margarito with his right hand.
And again, combination to the head. I think Manny should now go to the body.
You know what?
This crowd is roaring.
I have a feeling this fight is going to be stopped. If not within this round, after the round, in between.
The united chant of Manny, Manny, Manny. Enjoy it as you hear it.
Siya pa yung umatas pag tumatama siya. Sa lakas ng binabato.
Just every time he gets entangled, there's a bit of trouble because mas malaki, imamamain siya ni Margarito eh.
Iyon talaga ang plano ng isang mas malaking boksingero na katulad ni Margarito.
Si Margarito. He was holding.
You know, this is Oscar De La Hoya all over again.
Round 10 is down to 25 seconds.
This is done. This fight is done.
Oh!
Right. His legs buckled. Here comes Manny Pacquiao. He knows it. 16 seconds left.
Now he's going to the body. He's preparing Margarito for the fall, but he could be out of time here.
Pacquiao Margarito is presented to you by San Miguel Beer. Samahang walang katulad. Clear. Make the switch to zero dandruff. No visible flakes with regular use. Ginebra San Miguel. Ang bida naka Ginebra. Brought to you by B-Meg Premium Hot Pellets. Kitang-kita ang kita. Pure Foods Tender Juicy Hot Dog. Amoy na amoy ang sarap. Kids can tell. Boysen Wallguard. Water-based resisting paint. Boysen knocks out the air cleaning paint. And in part by Petron Turbo Diesel. Motolite. Water stop wet and dry sealing. Dickies. Elastoseal. Mighty Bond Extreme. With the participation of